I have arrived. I am now in Boston. I am in love with this city. It is so precious. It's beautiful. I can't wait to walk around and just absorb everything. The first place is a smoothie bowl cafe. I'm super excited about this place. Let's go.
Really? I just like it when niggas look at me, think I'm soft, and
So I'm here at the old granary burial ground, and I have this little pamphlet here this man gave to me when I walked in. This is really cool. A lot of history here, a lot of dead bodies. It's intense. Okay, so this is the Washington State Monument. Okay, this is King's Chapel Burial Ground. Okay, this is the old school meeting house here.
there's a
The veggie empanada. Just had smoothie and empanada. Downtown Boston, I don't know, from my perspective, it seems very clean. Last stop is Bunker Hill, and it's really cool. It kind of reminds me of the Washington Monument in DC. We finished the Freedom Trail. I think I hit everything. Right now, I'm sitting on a hill, Bunker Hill. I feel like I'm in another country right now. I'm convinced that Boston is never sunny, ever. Shiitake mushrooms on top, and then I got a sprinkle cookie for dessert. So moral of the story, I really love Boston. I just love all the different neighborhoods and how each neighborhood has its own unique charm. There's so much history throughout the city. There's like a million different walking tours that are going on throughout the city. So people who are tourists like me can learn more about the city. Today was definitely a win. It wasn't that hard to get around to. Like, I walked everywhere. I Ubered to my hotel, which was easy. The smoothie bowl I had, amazing. Last time that I was here in Massachusetts, I went to Plymouth to try this amazing smoothie bowl. It was spectacular. Like, I remember having a dream about it because it was that good. But the smoothie bowl today was next level. The one thing I don't like about Boston is the weather. There was practically no sun the entire time. Never sunny. Like, it's so frustrating. I don't know if that means I'm supposed to come back again or if this is a sign for me to never come back. I don't know. If you ever make it out to Massachusetts, I recommend go to Duxbury. There's this one spot. You take this long wooden bridge all the way to the end of like the ocean, which is like my favorite part. The very top of the bridge, you can just look to the left and you'll see like the bay where you can like get oysters and all of that, or clams. And then you look to the right side and all you see is just ocean and endless water. I mean, it feels like you are flying. Like, I'm gonna start crying. Like, it was literally, that entire trip was very special to me too. This this is getting really deep, but before I started traveling a lot, I was doing the same thing every single week. The most exciting thing of the week was if I bought oranges as a part of my groceries. I had an encounter where I realized there's more to life than oranges in a grocery store. There's more ways that you can just absorb the day. Because we all have 24 hours in a day, right? So why would you want to waste it on going on Instagram or sleeping or basically building someone else's dream? Why don't you build your own? Okay, bye.